welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jane Earl, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own soya bean powder at home. Like, make it from scratch, guys. We all know that soya beans powder is a rich source of protein, fiber, vitamin B complexes, and folic acid, which are all very good nutrients for a growing baby. If this is your first time joining this channel, you're welcome. My name is Jane Earl. I create videos on motherhood and lifestyle. If that's your cup of tea, don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the channel. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's enjoy the video.
Simple than me, I don't have to go perfectly well.
Say hello to my beautiful Riri of life.
You don't start that.
Riri of life. So we are here with another one. So this is soya bean. So all she's doing is just selecting. So what are you doing? Tell us.
Wow. I'm trying to select it, like remove the dirt on it.
Okay.
So that it can be edible, you know, instead of eating rubbish. As you can see, like this,
there's a lot of dirt.
Yeah, there's so much. So you have to really take your time, like take your time and remove it since it's very edible. Okay. So that you know that you're not eating something that will be harmful to your body, you know.
And especially it's for babies, so yeah, it's for the whole family anyway.
It's actually good, very nutritious.
Oh my god. And guys, Riri is a nurse. Yes, so she's gonna tell us the nutritional values. I will not leave you. So we're done selecting the soya bean, and it looks exactly like normal beans, only that it's a bit smaller. So when you're done selecting it, all you have to do is wash it, because this is going to be for children, for kids, for babies. You need to make sure that it is very clean. And if you have a dehydrator, drying it will be very easy. But since I don't have a dehydrator, I'm going to wash it and dry it the normal way, or the local way of drying it. So all you have to do is just wash it and dry it and sun dry it. You can actually add so many other ingredients or to make this powder more nutritious, like plantains, like granules, like cashew nuts. You can add them, crayfish if you want to, but I didn't have them at home and I did not even want to add it. I just wanted to make the plain powder like that. So that was why I used just the soya bean powder. But if you want to make it more nutritious, like I said earlier on, you can put plantains, you can put granules, you can put cashew nuts, anything at all, crayfish, just make it more nutritious. And it's still going to be very delicious. So all I'm going to be doing right now is wash the soya bean powder. I mean the soya bean. So we can prep it for frying. You can see how dirty this water is just because this is the first time I'm washing the soya beans. So you can wash it until you have a clear water. Maybe like the second time or the third time you should have a clear water, because it's not always so dirty like that. So after washing it, just sun dry it or use a dehydrator like I said earlier on to dry it. So guys, I don't actually know what I would do without Riri. Riri has been a lifesaver. Like, she came back the next day when the soya bean was totally dried and fried it. So all you have to do is, fry it until you can easily peel the skin off. That's when you know that you fried it enough. Fry it, and then you take it to the public mill, because your normal blender will not be able to blend it well. So you take it to the public mill and then you blend it. So I'm going to say this, like, when I got to the mill, those people, I don't know why they're always so skeptical about someone videoing them. They were just like, don't video me or don't video me. So I was not like using scope to video it. So you might not see it so clearly, but just Watch out. Now the shaft. Now the first time I did do am before, like I never. I don't dey learn work. When you born pikin, you must learn work by force. Wait one na shaft. Yeah. I for no even know sef. Now wow. So guys, like I said earlier on, they didn't really allow me to video it. So I didn't video the first time that he blended it. So he blended it for a short while, and now he's trying to, remove all the chaff that he blended out. That's the skin of the soya beans, so he can actually blend the main soybeans.
If you know us before, you're not gonna know us again. We don't change diet, we don't chop meat.
So this is how it looked after he had finished, removing the skin. So he's about to blend it, and he blended this for like over 6 times, save. And there we have our soybean powder. Gosh, it was so plenty, eh? All I have to do right now is scoop it into, an airtight container and store it for use later on. Thank you guys for sticking around with me. Thank you for watching to this. If you're not subscribed, please kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video to join the family, guys. Don't skip my ads, guys. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Don't skip my ads. You don't read. No money for Nigeria. Please help a girl. Help a girl. God bless you. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye.
We don't underway though. Before now, who are you? Who are you? Nowadays now, how are you? How are you, son? If you say money no good, we are sorry for you.